Today on PowerNation Daily, a Hellcat-powered personal off-road tank. Sounds like fun. An Ohio Ford dealership is offering an 800 horsepower Mustang from their showroom for only 50,000 bucks. This California mudslide turns a Prius into a bobsled. The 2019 Ford Mustang Bullet has finally been unveiled, and Toyota introduced a vehicle that can actually do just about anything you want. It's also time for Top 5 Fast Fails, so pull up a chair. This is PowerNation Daily. What's up, everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchard. This is PowerNation Daily. Welcome to the show. Let's get this show rocking and rolling. For everyday people, off-road vehicles consist of off-road trucks, Jeeps, maybe UTVs. But if you're looking for something over the top, you should check this thing out. It's called the Ripsaw EV3 F1. Kind of obnoxious of a name, but it's a personal tank created by How and How Technologies that has a Hellcat Hemi putting out 1,500 horsepower. And it's actually been called the most obnoxious vehicle ever made. I actually know a few people that actually might want this. It's a single seat tank designed to handle extreme conditions, with each track measuring in at 112 inches. And of course, you're going to pay for the price of this toy because it's a tank and it's going to cost estimated about $400,000. Is it worth it? Why not? If you get the money, buy a tank, have fun. Let us know in the comments what you think. Getting the most power in your vehicle can be pricey. I mean, it's expensive, but this Ohio-based Ford dealership says it doesn't have to be. Listen up, people, this is cool. Lebanon Ford Performance is the same dealership that offered the LFP 727 Performance upgrade for $40,000 last year. And this year, their Pick Your Power deal brings, well, it brings the LFP Hellion package. This is sick because it includes the entire car, and it's going to run you 52,000 bucks for everything. The LFP Hellion package will be built completely in-house, and it's reported to put out 800 horsepower at the crank, 7 to 8 pounds of boost to get it there. It includes a Hellion turbo system with a twin 62mm precision-built turbo system, 1,000cc injectors, and several other features, all included in the price. So if you're looking for a new ride and a lot of horsepower, and you don't want to buy a SUV for 50 grand or a pickup truck, dude, go check that thing out. That's impressive. For more details, check out PowerNationTV.com. We've had stories covering gearheads in their cars impacted by everything from hurricanes to wildfires, and California's latest mudslide brings us another one. First responders on the scene outside Burbank managed to grab some video of this Prius in a mudslide as it was tossed down the hill like a bobsled. It carries the car down the hilly street with no problems, and the driver keeps it relatively under control considering they just went down a hill in a mudslide. Local news, KTLA caught up with the driver who made it to the ground safely, and surprisingly the car came out pretty good. Had a few dings and scratches, but nothing huge. So what do you got to say about that? You ever done anything cool in your car like that? Let us know in the comments. Send us a link. I want to see it. I might even put it on PowerNationTV.com. Ford finally made it official at the Detroit Auto Show. The 2019 Mustang Bullet is here 50 years after the movie came out. It's just never going to be the same, but I'll tell you about it anyways. The new Bullet is based on the 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and it has the same dark Highland green paint scheme as the original car, but it's also going to be offered in black. Okay, that's weird. It shares the same 5-liter V8 that puts out at least 475 horsepower, according to Motor One. It's equipped with chrome accents, an active exhaust upgrade, 19-inch aluminum wheels, and an exclusive steering wheel complete with the Bullet logo. Awesome. Ford says the 2019 Mustang Bullet will be available this summer. Are you excited? Let us know in the comments what you think. Toyota is producing a futuristic technology, and they're doing it fast. The automaker has designed an autonomous pod called the EPalette. That's basically a moving restaurant, delivery van, mobile showroom, hotel room, taxi, or anything else that you can imagine in a vehicle. Toyota debuted the EPalette at this year's CES show and plans to roll them out at the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo. The fully electric and self-driving minibus can be used for just about anything and is already being partnered with Uber and Amazon. Go figure, they're taking over the world. So whether you need a food truck or a delivery van, the Palette might be your solution. That's just crazy. What do you think about it? I'm all ears. It's that time for Top 5 Fast Fails, Donut Edition. You're gonna like this. Here we go. Coming in at number 5 is a guy on a four-wheeler on a frozen lake, and he does what any guy would do. Starts doing donuts, and he gets going. And he gets going pretty fast, and he gets ejected. Number 4 is a Camaro fail All right, so this Mustang's doing some donuts, and then the Camaro decides to one-up him, and he one-ups him by smashing into his car. And then he keeps going. This guy is a maniac, out of control. Not even sure where he's going or what he's doing. If I was in the crowd, I'd probably be getting behind something because this guy's just going to town. But hey, good job, you did awesome with that burnout. See your car at the body shop. Number 3 for top 5 fast fails for you truck guys out there and how you shouldn't do a donut. Number 2 for top 5 fast fails is a guy that decides to do a Mustang burnout and falls out of his car. And number 1, hands down for top 5 fast fails, is a Camaro that's getting with it somewhere in the Bay Area. I'm impressed. The guy's got some skills behind the wheel. Unfortunately, the passenger has 0 skills and flies out the side of the car, and he hurt himself. Don't forget, this weekend is the premiere of the 2018 PowerNation season with all new episodes from all 4 shops. So be sure to tune in to Paramount Network Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. See you guys there.